Introducing veteran international real estate investment expert, author, and speaker, Adiel Gorel.
Real estate tips, investment strategies, wealth building tips, retirement riches, all right here with Adiel Gorel.
So, a question that I get quite a bit is, can I invest in real estate online? Well, yes and no in a sense. When we are buying in a market that makes sense because the numbers are good, the prices are good, and it's 1,000 miles away from where we live, yeah, we will do most of the activity online via emails and correspondence and looking at videos and stuff like this, maybe phone calls as well. My standing recommendation for investors usually is, even though you can invest in real estate online, you should go and visit the market. Even if you spend just one day, ride in the car with the broker, meet the property manager, get to understand the layout of the market, get to see why they're choosing homes over in this area but not in that area. You will come home and you'll have a huge level of confidence. Also, all the enemies in your life, like a spouse, a parent, friends, who say, "What? You're buying 1,000 miles away from home? Did you even go there?" Yes, I did, and here are my pictures. It's unbelievable, you should go too. So I recommend that people go and visit. However, during the pandemic, many people don't want to fly. They don't want to travel. So during the pandemic year, so far, a year and a quarter, most people, they bought real estate online, which means they bought homes via a combination of emails and looking at stuff online and talking on the phone. Yes. So, the answer is yes, but I recommend a visit to the market one time just to get the level of comfort. Thanks for joining me today. Click the subscribe button for more video on real estate. Got a question or comment? I love questions and comments. Leave yours below. And here's another video you've got to see.